Hey Vikings, it's Miss Hames, and this is Just the Facts, number 7.3. We are going to talk about sedimentary rock. This is the whole chart. You can refer back to it, but remember, watch the whole video to get all the information. Alright, we're going to start with sedimentary. The process that forms sedimentary rock is weathering, erosion, and deposition. And one way you can remember that is sedimentary and wed, sed and wed, wed meaning weathering, erosion, and deposition. Okay, so sedimentary rock comes from weathering, erosion, and deposition. Think about sediment. Weathering creates sediment, erosion moves sediment, deposition sets down sediment. So we've got the sediment here. And biota, which is just living things. Remember, bio means life, and biotic is living things. So biota is just living things, and it might be little insects, which I have right here, or it might be leaves that fall off a tree. So just living things that get trapped with the sediment. All right. Then next, what happens is that sediment gets compacted together or pressed. Think compaction. Gets pressed together so that the sediment and the living things get all pressed together, and then finally they are cemented together, meaning that they are attached permanently, and it creates rock. So sediment is sedimentary rock. And living things, get smushed in there just, naturally. And because those living things are in there, you will often find fossils in sedimentary rock, which makes sense. The living things were there. And so, of course, they're going to die when they're pressed into the rock, but their shape might, be visible into the rock. So you're going to find fossils in sedimentary rock. And also, if you think about it, the sediment is laid down here, over here some sediment, and then some more sediment comes in, and then maybe some other sediment comes in, and then, of course this is happening over many years, and then here's some more sediment that comes in, and so you're going to see layers, and these layers are going to represent the different periods of deposition. So like the side of the Grand Canyon and maybe different canyons you've gone to, you could see layers, and that's just, they represent the periods of deposition. All right, that is the basic facts of sedimentary rock. Make sure you have it all written down.